Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix when my iPhone not working. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that you find my iPhone is not working, so let's see some possible fixes. You just have to simply open the settings app, tap on your Apple ID here, and here you're facing the issue that your Find My is grayed out or it's not working. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, the basic issue is that your location services are disabled. Now to fix this issue, you have to enable your location services. Go back, open your privacy and security section, tap on your location services, and you must have to enable your location services from here. Or if you're seeing the issue that your location services have been created out itself, so it might be that your content and privacy restrictions are enabled. Now to fix that, you just have to go back, open the screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions. To make it short, you can easily disable them at all, or you can disable them and freshly disable location services. Select allow changes from here. Now go back and here relaunch your settings app. Open the privacy and security section, select location services, enable this, then go back, open or tab on your Apple ID, go for Find My, and you can easily turn it off by verifying your Apple ID password. So in this way, you can easily fix if you find my iPhone not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.